जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Myself is Mudassir Ali. In recent video we solved the part A from the question number 1, and now today we are going to solve part B and C in this video. So what's the part B we have? It's part B we have 4x square minus 5x minus 6 and is equal to 0. So what product we have and what sum do we have? So as we are going to solve by this midterm breaking. So product we have negative 24 and sum is negative 5. So we should have such pair of number whose product must be equal to negative 24, and if we add the same number that should be equal to negative 5. As the difference of the 8 and 8 and 3 is 5, and the product is also 8 times 3 is 24. So either by which number should have the negative sign, as we needed the negative 5, so the bigger number should have the negative sign. So negative 8 plus 3, and it satisfied the both of the conditions. So now we will just break the midterm. 4x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. So what HCF we may have? The 4x, yeah. So x minus 2 and plus 3, that's again we have the common. So also x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2, again we have the common, yeah. So 4x plus 3 and is equal to 0. Now both factor, the product is equal to 0, so they would also be individually is equal to 0. So 4x plus 3 is also equal to 0. So from here we can, it is super easy to find the value of x now. So x is equal to 2, and also from here 4x plus 3, and when we will switch this on the other side, or either we subtract on other on the both sides negative 3, so we will have in the next step 4x is equal to negative 3. Now to make it further simplify, we can divide on both sides by x to find the value of x. So negative 3 over 4. So this will be our solution set. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to negative 3 over 4. And now we will solve the part C. So what part C we have? So part C we have 7x plus x square minus 18 is equal to 0. So first of all, what we will have to do, we have to rearrange this in the standard form. So x square plus 7x minus 18, and same thing we have to determine the product and sum. That is super easy now. So the coefficient of the x square is 1, and the last term, not the last term, actually this constant term, if we write the equation in the standard form, then it will be considered as a last term. So 1 times negative 18, that's negative 18, that's sum. The coefficient of the x, what is that? That's 7, yeah. So again we have to find such two numbers, such a pair of number whose product must be equal to negative 18 and their sum should be equal to positive 7, and that is super easy to find such factors. This is supposed to be 18 actually. Yeah, 9 and 2. So 9 times 2, as our sum is positive, we have to keep the sign negative with a smaller number. Okay, so 9 minus 2, that makes sense. 9 minus 2, 7. Let's say if we needed the negative 7, then we have negative 9 plus 2, then it would be equal to negative 7. So now x square plus 9x minus 2x and minus 18 is equal to 0. So what common we may have? X plus 9 and minus 2 common, and then again x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now I believe it is super easy for you to find the values of x. What common we will have? X plus 9 and x plus 9. So, and x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So both will be equal to 0. X plus 9 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. That will be x is equal to negative 9, and here x is equal to positive 2. So this will be the solution. Yeah, so rest of the part we will solve the in the next video. We'll solve the rest of the parts. So keep watching, and if you will find this video a little bit helpful, then you may like this video, subscribe this channel, and you can recommend your friends.